All right, so we know what we've got now. We've got the new Pixel phones, we've got Google Home, Google Daydream, and of course the Google Assistant. But I think potentially there's a lot more. Okay, so before we dive deep, let's just talk about those new Pixel phones. What do we got and what do we not? While the Pixel and the Pixel XL are Google phones through and through, they're actually manufactured by HTC. Say what you want about the One A9, HTC's iPhone clone, but the Taiwanese company really does know how to make some solid smartphones. Both the Pixel and Pixel XL sport an aluminum and glass construction. You'll notice the back panel is made of mostly aluminum, save for the small glass section on the top of the device that surrounds the camera sensor and the fingerprint reader. Both the Pixel and Pixel XL come in 3 different colors: very silver, quite black, and really blue. We're not making that up. So you can see the specs right here. I won't go into too much detail about that, but you know, it's the Snapdragon 821, 4 gigabytes of RAM, that's fantastic, a decent battery life improvement, and a much vaunted camera. But what does it actually mean for you and me? Now I know what you're thinking, because I'm thinking it too. Good phones, decent even, decent specs. But where's the fundamental earth-shattering change that Hiroshi Lockheimer was talking about? We were expecting something big, we were excited. And at first glance, not too much. Nice, but not great, not bad, but I was hoping for more. Well, I'm happy to tell you that I think there is something more, and it has everything to do with AI. And even then, it's not so much AI exactly as much what AI can potentially do for us. I've said many times before that you and I enjoyed the World Wide Web through these tiny little screens. This is why everyone is hunched over and locked into their phone and blocking out the people and their environment around them. The potential, the hope, the dream that AI can contribute to is that it frees us from being locked into that screen. If you can make voice commands that are contextual and smooth, you can look at your screen less. That's fantastic. And the real potential here, this is the big bang for me, I think, is that Google is allowing third-party developers to build on their Google Assistant AI. So they're becoming a platform, like Amazon is a platform, like Google Play Store is a platform, that other third-party developers who specialize in AI, who specialize in using those voice commands, can create tools and apps that you and I really care about. Think of the possibilities. They're pretty big. Try and remember that 85–90% of the world is not tech savvy, and even if they did have the aptitude to be technically inclined, they don't want to. They want to get on with their life. They don't enjoy tech as a hobby like most of you and I do. So, voice commands gets them out of the device and allows them to interact with the rest of the world. Different wearables allow us to do that. This is partly why Apple made such a big deal out of the wireless headsets. They look a bit wonky right now, but I think wearables are going to allow us to do that. When technology and IP devices can be put into our clothes, into all devices around us, we're connected everywhere to everything, and we're not tethered to the rock and chain that is our phone right now. I think that is the new frontier. Imagine if you can just tell your refrigerator to make a list of things that you need to buy on groceries, and then they're immediately bought for you on Amazon or some other service like Amazon, and it's delivered to your house. AI can begin to do that type of thing. What are the things that you think are possible with AI technology? I'm talking smooth, fast, contextual interaction with a bot that can do the things that, frankly, you don't want to do. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys remember from like 15 years ago when people were making money hands over fist in the .com bubble? Remember, we didn't call it a .net bubble or .org bubble. We didn't call them .biz billionaires. We called them .com billionaires, because that's the power of a .com. Now, why is that? Because no domain name extension tells your story with the same degree of trust as a .com or .net domain name. .com and .net domain name extensions inject credibility into your online presence. Save 15% on domain names and web hosting when you use our coupon code ANDROID at domain.com checkout. When you think domain names, think domain.com.